Practical and technical details of managing youth volunteering. Community media are any form of medium that function in service of or by a community. Community media takes the same forms as other conventional media. Community media face a variety of challenges, especially when it comes to poor funding. It is because of that youth volunteers represent an essential part of community media. Thanks to the enthusiastic voluntary teams and their dedication, local community radio stations, print media, and TV channels can provide their service to all the citizens. If you are interested in community media, you might need to know some things about managing youth volunteering. Some steps to follow. 1. Create a plan for the volunteer program. Identify the need for volunteers. Involve staff and other stakeholders. Design and plan your volunteer program. How much will it cost, and do you have adequate resources in place? Set aside time to support and manage your volunteers. Think about sustainability. 2. Recruit and place volunteers. Young people volunteer for causes that are meaningful and relevant to them, and socializing is also an important aspect of the experience. Volunteering as a way youths can give back to the community, and it can also improve college application or job applications. To recruit young volunteers, you might want to use social media for promotion, and team up with schools. Some barriers you might encounter are the unpredictable schedules of youths, lack of transportation and training. So you might need to invest on training and transportation. 3. Orient and train volunteers and staff. Orientation programs are essential. When you start working with your volunteers, 5 key elements for a good orientation program. 1. Orientation information is shared. The first day of orientation should make you feel welcomed and well treated. 2. The program is structured and comprehensive. 3. Feedback is provided throughout the program. 4. Support is abundant. 5. Orientates provide program feedback. You should pick a good time to do training, cover relevant processes, be thorough and try to keep it informal. Above all, encourage questions. 4. Supervise and recognize volunteers. Once your volunteers have been trained, introduce volunteers to each other, if they have not met properly, and organize groups with specific tasks and obligations. Supervising your volunteers comes next. Some steps you might follow are: 1. Define and communicate clear expectations. Be specific and encourage questions. 2. Guide and support. Be supportive, not controlling, and schedule regular check-ins. 3. Ensure volunteers feel recognized. Offer leadership opportunities and recognize and celebrate achievements. 4. Efforts can be recognized in a formal way such as dinners, newsletter, or volunteer of the month programs, and in an informal way such as spontaneous expressions of appreciation, and occasional email messages, or handwritten notes. 5. Evaluate volunteers. Evaluation of volunteers is a process done in order to measure changes, achievements, and impact of the volunteer program, and of the specific volunteer positions according to the comparison of the situation before and after.